Hello everybody. Today I have here an HP compact PC, and I bought this from a thrift shop for €6, and I wanna scrap it down and wanna see if I can get my money back. I'm gonna do this video as a series. I'm gonna firstly take the big parts apart, and then I'm gonna scrap each and every part individually. So let's get started. First, steel cover. This is what we have. Okay, have some stuff over here. Don't have any hard drive in it. Power supply, CD player. All right. Well, let's take it apart. Now, can we take this away? I'm also gonna leave every chunk that is not metal, so we can weigh it later, and we're gonna see how much plastics and other kind of junk it contains, because we can't get any money out of it, but just for good measure I wanna weigh these things up. We got power supply, some wire on it. What do we have here? Where's this thing come off? Like this? Yeah. CD player. Take these rams here. These are all 1 gigabyte. Right. Nice gold fingers here. No chips from other side, but it doesn't matter. That's good. Junk. Alright. What do we have here? I'm gonna take this away from here. Here's gonna be probably the newer one, CPU. I believe it's without gold gold plated legs, it's just those dots on it. So little paste. Yeah. But that's still a CPU. Gonna take this away. You can get here aluminium heatsink. Yes, alright. Close this for now. And what else do we have? Let's take these SATA cables out of the way. A fan? No, it's not. SATA cables. Okay, can take this apart. Also, I'm gonna keep every screw that comes apart. It's a steel too. Come on, get out. This might contain gold-plated contacts inside. Not sure, but maybe. And can you get this off somehow? No? Some junk. Oh, a lot of screws. Huh? Wait. No. Okay. Yeah. Some junk. We can get a motor from here and wire. And what else we got? Let's see. No. I can see some gold plated USB pins over there. I'm gonna definitely take these out, cut those wires. Okay. And what else we have here? Little switch. it may contain silver. Okay, 2 LEDs. Some wire, a little bit gold plated connections here. Does this come up? No. Alright. Where is, oh, a speaker. Yeah, nice little loudspeaker here. Well, it's not really loud, but it's a still speaker. Alright, so we pretty much, I guess we have all. Now that, let's take this motherboard out of here. Well, nothing much on this side. Yeah. And this is what the motherboard looks like. I can see here those little SMD resistors does have a gold plating on the soldering point. That's nice. We have something bigger over here. That's gold. That's gold plated, and that's a SMD resistor. Some big nice chips over here, smaller ones. I'm gonna remove this battery. So long memory. Some gold plated pins here, also in here. Oh, and here is another one. I don't know if camera picks up, but here is a gold plated SMD resistor. Yeah, that's beautiful. It is quite new port, so yeah, from year to year manufacturers find out the way how to not use so much precious metals here, but it still contains something, and it's good to have these boards, and you can get quite good amount of money from it. Well, now we are left off with scrap steel here, and we have got all the big chunks out of here. Well, thank you for watching it, and next time I will scrap out this power board and some few other stuff as well. In my next video I'm gonna take apart this CD player or a CD-ROM, and I'm gonna strip down this power supply, and I wanna separate as much metals and stuff as I can, so keep tuned. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.